Have you ever tried to extend your C drive in Windows, only to find that the Extend Volume option is grayed out? That usually happens because the unallocated space is not next to your C drive. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix it using the right partition management methods. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make use of that unallocated space, even if it's not adjacent. Step 1. Install and run AOMI Partition Assistant. Right-click the partition you want to extend, right-click, Advanced, and select Merge Partitions. Step 2. Then, tick the box before the unallocated space. Step 3. After that, click Apply to execute it. And that's it. You now know how to extend C drive even when the unallocated space is not adjacent. With the right approach, you can move or merge partitions to free up space for your system without losing data. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more Windows tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.